you guys with the BI's ASMR popping back with some popping ASMR. In tonight's video, I have a couple of US dollar bills. US dollar bills. And I'm going to make sounds with them. Abraham Lincoln's face presented on the front, as well as the Lincoln Memorial on the back. And then you can see emblems of A5 on the front and on the back, as well as some big some big fives. Looks like this one five's actually integrated into the paper. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. This purple five may be similar, but it's hard to tell with the light, you know. It is, that five is just chilling on the back, and then there is the five that is in the dollar itself. This five is in the dollar itself. Pretty cool, pretty cool. There's a lot of identifiers like that to kind of help tell if a bill's real. This is the $1 bill. Probably the most popular dollar bill, as well as one of the most interesting and designed. You can see the eye, as well as the eagle. And a lot of people know about the secret owl that is hiding. I remember being told about this guy probably in, I don't remember how old I was, honestly. Let me see if I can. Right on this corner there is a owl. A itty bitty owl hiding in the top. What would that be here? Right, perhaps. Right in this top corner, just a little owl. Right across from the and then George Washington is on this one, of course. And then, last but not least, we have our $10 bill. Look at the $10 bill. So this one has a bunch of tens, of course it's got tens, as well as Alexander Hamilton. Of course it features Alexander Hamilton. And on the back, we have a nice couple of tins as well. I'm definitely not Googling this, by the way. A look at the Treasury building. It's the U.S. Treasury. I'm not ashamed to admit that I googled that. Okay, it be how it be. Definitely an interesting note. There is a little face in this bill. Very interesting. Look at the little face. I don't know which one of these you enjoyed the most. Be sure to let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Good night, sweet